What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has hit a green candlestick today and yesterday as well. It did hit up to 0.026 cents before it took a little bit of a dip over the last couple of hours. So we're going to be going through what is next for Jasmy. The crypto market is up, including Bitcoin, over near about 5% up, and as you guys can see here, Jasmy is over 20% up in the last 24 hours. So why has this gone through a sudden pump? Is this pump likely to last over the coming week and so on? Is it going to take a little dip back down over the coming days? So we are going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also looking at its prediction in 2024 over the short term and over the long term as well, looking at what we can expect from Jasmy, and is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a higher value in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking quite steep is because of the drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep dropping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, that is not what my expectations are. I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Jasmy towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, potentially heading past 0.0255 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. Again, it's going to be a mixture of both red and green candles. It is likely to drop a little bit further down than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit green candles later on this afternoon, evening time, trading above 0.0255 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. However, any changes to that, I will keep you guys updated. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, we are looking a little bit skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this could possibly mean for Jasmy is an overall fluctuation in value over the coming week. So towards the end of next week, the crypto should be trading around its current price range. However, I'm expecting not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general to be hitting more green candles over the coming week. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting more green candles, and I am also expecting Jasmy to be getting closer to the 3 cents target towards the end of April. So slow and steady increases in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy at the moment, but of course do expect the odd red days in between. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and again, they're not looking too steep either, so this is much more realistic than the previous two charts. So essentially by late May, early June 2024, Jasmy should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, which I also agree with as well. Reason being is the Bitcoin halving is likely to take place literally as very soon, and this should have a positive impact on the crypto market. Even though yes, it is likely to go for a price correction, over the long term we should see slow and steady increases in value, with Jasmy heading up over the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. But again, 4 cents is also possible towards the second half of the year. But again, this crypto is one that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as expected, the crypto has dipped down to the resistance target and has bounced back up, as I mentioned or as I predicted in my previous updates on Jasmy, and that is exactly how it's going right now. So far the predictions have been on target, and I'm expecting it to head up higher than where it is at the moment over the coming weeks, guys, potentially heading over 3 cents higher than where it was back in March is what my expectations are. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 350% in the last 24 hours, making it over $400 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is the crypto has taken quite of a major pump, meaning it has had a massive positive impact on the crypto market. Sorry, not the market, but the traders in general. So we are seeing a lot more people buying and selling the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of Jasmy pump up higher. Moving on to the 7 days chart, over the last week it has gained 24%, and over the month just about 8%. It has been very volatile with peaks and dips, quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been, I wouldn't say neutral, but it has been slightly more on the positive side. But again, this does not mean it's going to be a major increase in value. So zooming into the big screen now, here we can see that the candlestick pattern chart right now is looking quite skeptical, as you guys can see, with major pumps, drops, pumps and drops. It's been quite a repeated one, especially with the crypto market being quite volatile over the last 4 to 6 weeks. But I'm predicting from now on we should see a slow increase in value for the rest of the year and potentially in 2025, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up. It should have a positive impact on the crypto market. But yeah, this is my take on Jasmy. 10 cents, not this year, however over the next 2 to 3 years I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 10 cents target. Comment down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.